Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a large mixing bowl, put in about 500 mils of thickened cream, whipping cream, pure cream, any cream that you can whip. Whip this until stiff peaks form. Now add a can or 395 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Now add about 1/3 of a cup of honey. I'm using raw honey. Then add some sea salt, about half a teaspoon. Now I want to fold this through until it's combined. Now just pour into a container. I'm just using an old ice cream container. And just pop it in the freezer overnight or until it's frozen. Probably need at least 6 hours. If you want to pour a little bit on top before you freeze it,